Welcome back to another video on our channel How to Guide. In this episode of How to Guide, I'm gonna teach you how you can log into EPFO employees account. Let's get started without any further ado. Firstly, open up a browser. Now in the search bar, type in epfindia.gov.in. Now as you can see, you have landed in the official website of India's Employees Provident Fund. Now to log into your account, you need to click on the Services tab and then a drop down will appear. From there, click on For Employees. From here you can see all the services and bunch of other information. Now to log into your account, click on the Member UAN link. Then a new page will be directed. Here you can see a login area from employees will be able to log into their accounts. Now firstly, type in your universal account number, then type in the password that you have. Along with that, now also type in the captcha that is seen. After you fill in this information, you can click on the sign in button. But if you have forgotten your password, you can click on this forgot password option. Then you will be able to successfully recover your password. After you fill in the information, click on the sign in button. That's how you can easily log into EPFO employees account. I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and also turn on the notifications to never miss videos such like this. That's it for this video, and thank you all for watching.